Hi. This series is on tenancy laws for people who are non-resident Indians. What law applies to a non-resident Indian landlord? How can a person who's of a status of a non-resident Indian get his property vacated? Now, be it agricultural land, a house, or a commercial property. What laws apply to them? Are there special provisions for non-resident Indian? Are there any special state laws for non-resident Indians? In this series, we are going to be discussing different laws in different states, which includes Gujarat, Maharashtra, Kerala, Delhi, Punjab, Haryana, and many other states. And of course, we are going to be taking up some case studies, cases we have been successfully cases where we have successfully got relief for people and got their properties vacated. I'm hoping that all of you are going to watch this series and enjoy, and it's going to be very informative, believe me. So please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.